Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today I'd like to show you my LEGO Technic model from 2018. This is an upscale copy of the LEGO set 60035 Arctic Outpost. This cute set was introduced in 2014. I have it, I really like it, and I decided to rebuild the truck into a bigger remote-controlled version. First of all, I had to choose the wheels and tires. Rare and expensive power puller tires are extremely heavy, but they look amazing and fit Arctic machines perfectly. At first I planned to use 4 large power functions motors to propel the model, but because of the lack of power I decided to mount 4 Buggy-motors. Each wheel is powered by its own motor. The model had the all-wheel drive and the reduction ratio was 1:3. The rear axle is really simple. Here you can see just usual portal hubs. At the front axle old CV joints were used and surprisingly they are still alive after pretty demanding outdoor tests. The buggy motors were powered by RC units. These beasts from the 9-volt era give a lot of power. I use special lithium batteries to withstand low temperature. The steering medium motor was controlled to an auxiliary output of the RC unit. Because of the actuator, steering worked rather slowly. The suspension was quite simple: soft shock absorbers at the rear axle and hard shock absorbers in front. Probably I should double front shock absorbers, because the weight of the model was shifted forward and the truck had a visible inclination. Regarding the bodywork, my main goal was to replicate the small truck, and I really like the result. It looks 100% recognizable to my mind. The cabin could be separated in a few seconds, so I can use this modularity in the future. I have an idea to upgrade the model by with receivers because they are much lighter and much more compact, and also I want to add some kind of crane like it was in the original set. I hope you like my truck. Please share your opinion below the video, which upgrades and rigs you would love to see in my model. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!